Hi guys, so today we're not in my usual setup, but that is because today we're doing a very special video. Probably gonna be very boring, but oh well. So today we are going to be detoxing my closet. Does my closet spark joy? So basically, if you guys haven't been into Netflix or anything, there's this huge hype about this girl, this Japanese woman named Kondo, and basically she is an expert on minimalism and cleaning and everything. I haven't personally read her book yet. I've been wanting to, but I never got the chance to, and I've been wanting to watch her show. I watched a little bit of it, but like not really, but I understand the whole like idea. So basically I got this idea from this YouTuber named Krist Yu, and she's one of my favorite YouTubers, to be honest. And basically she, in a huge series called DETOX, she's explaining how to like clean up your space, like your workspace, your bedroom, and all these other things. So today I was inspired by her, who was inspired by Kondo, to detox my closet. So basically, growing up, I didn't really have a style. I just had clothes that like my mom bought for me or like was given for gifts and stuff. Now that I'm like old enough to have my own style, I've been really addicted to shopping and everything, and especially after leaving high school, because in high school I had uniform. I didn't really need clothes to wear every day. Like I only needed clothes if I ever like went out on the weekend or anything, or like after school or whatever, right? Or like at home. So ever since then, I've just been getting like a lot of clothes, and it's been piling up. So yeah, we're gonna be cleaning out my closet. Kondo, what she says about it is to remove everything from your closet and feel it, and like just ask yourself, does it spark joy, you know? So after today, I hope I'll have less clothing, because my sister keeps bothering me and saying, you have so much clothes. I'm going to be donating a bunch of clothing, sending a lot of clothing to the Philippines, and I'll also be selling a bunch on Depop. If you guys don't know what Depop is basically an app or a website where you can sell clothing. I'm only selling to people in Canada, so check it out. Check out my Depop account. It'll be in the description below. Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna take out everything from my closet and put it on my bed, and we'll continue from there. And without further ado, let's start. I really want music, but I don't want to get like copyrighted, you know? Okay, so
of all the right things to say, still finding reasons to stay with you. Gave you a call because I needed a ride, and never thought I'd be with you in your passenger side. And now we're driving downtown. Baby, you make me feel young, like I just turned 21, yeah. I don't mind if you stay on my side and never let go. Oh, I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go. Oh, like while we're up in my room, I'm laughing. Your feet are too small when you try on my shoes, and then search my face now.
oh my god. Okay, hey Google, stop the music. Okay, so I just finished cleaning out my closet. Like, it's empty. It's like actually empty right now, and I did not realize how much clothes I had. Even though everything was hung, like you still don't see how much clothes you have until it's like out here. Let me show you. That's the top of the pile. There's that, and it goes all the way back here. Do you see this giant pile? Like, most of these clothes I don't even wear. Like, I know for a fact that's why I'm doing this. But you know what? It's time for a thumbnail picture. So, I'm gonna sort out this whole entire pile right now. Yeah, a lot of this has to go. I know for a fact I have a lot of jeans, pants, because I thought I didn't have enough jeans. Well, I do have a lot of jeans.
And it don't take much to want you. Love, you let me be your fool. Oh baby, and it don't need much to hold you. Love, please, just say you want me to. Just say you want me. Love, please, just say you want me.
damn, my pile is still so big. Yeah! I mean, this is my donation pile. Okay, in my defense, okay, I'm not, okay. In my defense, not really defense, but the majority of the clothes are from Yes Style and they're new. I actually always do this, but today I was like, I'm not holding back on anything that I know I'm not gonna wear, but I still think it's pretty good of me. I know for sure I'm gonna wear these ones. Okay, the thing is about this is that it's winter, so I only know what I know I'm gonna wear during winter and guess the things that I'm gonna wear during summer. So I might just do this again during summer and give away a whole bunch of other stuff, and yeah, but yeah, the majority of these clothes are like home clothes anyway. Like I just have so much like basic t-shirts that I just wear at home, and I don't plan on looking nice when I'm at home anyways, so most of the stuff are like essentials like office pants and dresses that I don't know if I'm actually gonna wear yet, which I'm just gonna save. But yeah, okay, I guess that's it. Now that beside my side, this is my donation pile, keep pile. Yeah, I actually have more clothes that I'm giving away, but they're in another room because I already sorted those out. Don't know how I'm explaining this. Oh my god, where's my phone? My sister's sending me screenshots of myself. Okay. I think end of 2018 is the last time I sorted through my closet, but this time I was like, okay, I'm gonna not hold back. I'm gonna actually like give away things that, like for example, this purple sweater is iconic with me, and I think it's time to part with it. If anything, my little sister will keep it, so yeah. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this kind of... Oh my god, my sister keeps texting me! Oh, it's another nice picture of me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to clean out your closet and stuff. Donating is really helpful with the environment and people who need it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Check out my social medias. We'll see you. Bye!
I want you to be your night, baby. Yeah.